FutureTrend channel is again welcome all of our subscribers. This time we decided to present you our analysis of world stock indices for the date of 13th July 2018. That's really very interesting, that despite of all of risk aversion sentiment we are witnessing at the moment, we mean the relations, trade relations between the United States and China, and deepening trade relations, which for sure could turn into full-blown crisis in case of retaliation measures, for example, from the side of from the part of China to the last imposed tariffs on the amount of 200 billion of trade turnaround between China and the United States. Anyway, also it's really very interesting how resistant is the stock market to also raising hopes for higher interest rates in the United States. A last series of consumer price inflation in the United States was more or less encouraging for those looking for another two increases from the part of the Federal Reserve, two increases of its benchmark interest rate in 2018. That means that all of such kind of news should not bode well for the future of stock indices. Anyway, at the moment we see a absolutely different kind of picture. And by the way, as you could see, we are more or less successful with our trading in three of the analyzing stock indices, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average 30, S&P 500 we're still missing long trade recommendation. Also we are long in Nikkei 225 and the German DAX as well. So let's see the technical situation, because we already spoke some words about fundamental background, and the fundamental background is not so good for the stock indices. Anyway, they're still grinding to the upside. As regarding the technical situation, let's start from Dow Jones Industrial Average. It's really very close to a break above its bearish 2018 downtrend located at 25,080. In case of a successful closing above that level, probably the market should concentrate on the highs of June located at 25,400, and the next barrier at the highs of February located around 25,800. Overall, the bias is still to the north in case of Dow Jones Industrial Average, while we're trading on a closing basis above 200 daily moving line located at the moment at 24,485. As regarding S&P 500, here the situation is a little bit even better than in the Dow Jones Industrial Average. We are ready to climb above the highs of March located at 2800, and in doing so this kind of index should concentrate its attention on next upside resistance located around the highs of 2018 at 2873. As regarding the Nikkei 225 that broke above its 200 daily line, moving average 200 daily line located at 22,287, and in case of break above its bearish downtrend, its bearish trend line of 2018 located at 22,750, that will mean that probably in the nearest future the index should remain quite strong and could test much higher levels. Probably Excluding from these examples is the DAX index. The DAX index is still lacking upside momentum, trading below its 200 daily moving line. That's also from a technical point of view. This line is located at the moment at 12,785, and while below this line this kind of index should remain more or less stable, because we are still trading above a longer term uptrend line located at 11,775. Thank you very much, dear friends. Here once again our analysis of well stock indices. See you later. Bye bye for now. It was your Future Trend channel.